In this video we're going to look at how to find the range and interquartile range for a list of data. So first of all I'm going to take this list and I'm going to put it in order from smallest to largest, and this is going to make the calculations I need that much more straightforward afterwards. So the range is simply the largest value subtract the smallest value. So for this data it gives me a range of 8. Now the interquartile range is slightly more awkward, and it's useful for ignoring any extreme values we might have, and I need to work out the locations of the quartiles. So the lower quartile, known as Q1, is, well, there's 11 bits of data and it's a quarter of the way through, so if I divide that by 4, so I get 2.75, and that indicates to me it's the third value that I want, because what we're going to do is we're going to round this up to the nearest whole number, and I'm going to repeat this process for Q3, but this time I want to know what's 3/4 of the way through. So I'm just going to take that 2.75, multiply it by 3, so it gives me 8.25, and again I round up, so this indicates it's the 9th value that I want. So the interquartile range is then Q3 subtract Q1, so the range of the quartiles. So the 9th value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 8. Subtract the third value, 1, 2, 3, 3, gives me an interquartile range here of 5. So this second question, I'm going to go through the same kind of process again. So I'm going to begin by ordering the numbers. So here we go. And the range is straightforward again. So the range is the largest subtract the smallest, so that gives me 6. And then I'm going to find the locations of the quartiles. So Q1, so this time I have 8 bits of data, so 8 over 4 is 2. Now when I get a whole number, what I do is I round it half, well, I move it half up, so it's actually the 2.5 value that I want. So Q3 is 8 over 4 times 3 is 6, and again I go half a unit up. So where am I going to locate those values? Well, so the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 is 6.5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's halfway between the 6th and the 7th, so halfway between 5 and 7 is 6. Q1 is the 2.5, so 1, 2, 3, so halfway between those two values is 3.5. So that gives me an interquartile range here of 2.5.